What's up? What's up? Back again. So I get a lot of inboxes, a lot of DMs, private messages, whatever you want to call it. Everyone keeps saying, "How do I make $250 a day on eBay from Amazon?" I've made a couple of those videos here, and I'm there on my channel. Um, what do? I make a new video. If that's what you ask, that's what I do. So this video here is going to be a short video again, straight to the point, no fluff. Not selling you anything, just pure value of how to make $250 a day on eBay from Amazon. All right, so we're going to get at it. See in the background here, move my ugly face to the side here. All right, so look, we're going to start out on Amazon, and this is what I do. This is what I do. I've made money with this. One day I'm going to open up my, what is this? I don't know what this is here. Give me 1 second here. This is crazy. I don't know whose this is here. Yeah, I don't know what that is. But anyway, uh, so this is what we're gonna do. Anyway, long to the short is we're gonna jump into it. I'm gonna show you how I find hot selling products that sell. All right, so we're gonna do this quick. All right. If you like this type of content, subscribe to this channel. Like this video, drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to know, what you want to learn, and I'll make a video on it. You know. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Father's Day is coming up, right? So let's do this. So what I'll do is start out on Amazon. All right, so let's do today's deals. I'm not going to treat you guys like beginners. I'm pretty sure, there's plenty of videos out here. Shows you how to do this. Shows you how to do the details. Well, let's do this here. So let me see. So what I'm doing here is I'm just scrolling around to see if something catches my eye. Something that looks like it's a really good deal. 20% off of this garment. I don't want to do deals of the day. And the reason why I don't like deals of the day is because if it doesn't sell today and that promotion goes away, you might be losing some money online. So as long as let's see. So I like to find higher end ticket items. Let's see. Not finding anything here. And this is, not scripted. I didn't rehearse this. I'm just going to find something here. I'll tell you what, let's do this. This is another method. This is another method I'm going to teach. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to do, this is a Mellow Camping Cookware Mess Kit Backpack Book Bag. What is this thing? I don't know what this thing is. Some type of backpack thing. Let's see something. And this is the research part, this is the fun part, you got to do some research here. Bug out bag cooking equipment set. Okay, I see what it is. Let's do this. So we're going to take some of the keywords here. We're going to do this. Copy. Take this over to eBay. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me see. I'm just pasting it into eBay. So let's see. Bam. We're going to play around a little bit here. So what we're trying to do is find other sellers. It's completely off the cuff. All right, so you see it's selling here from $15 to $34.99. So let's see. Boom. So we're going to find something here. So what we want to do is sold items. Just bear with me here. $34.99. So let's see. This one has 4 product ratings. 34, 34. We're looking for something to stick out. Okay. Let me see something here. Someone bundled up some items. That's pretty cool. Or is this the same product? Okay. Let's do this. This is probably the same product. Let me see. Yep, same product. All right, so look, this is what we're gonna do. We sold 2 of these. So what we're gonna do is find this. I'm sorry if this is your website here. This is your eBay store. I'm sorry to expose you like this, but it's not. It's not the plan. View items for sale. See, it had 7,735 feedback. I'm gonna do sold listings. Computer's moving slow. Come on, come on. All right, so let's see. It's fine. Oh, that's a rough one today, huh? That's why it's good. That's why it's good off the cuff here. So let's see. I like high-end products. Look, let's start this over here. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's do this. And I do apologize. We're going to start over here with this one. It's easy to do. This is easy to do. The reason why I'm going to start this over because it's not what I was trying to do here. So we're going to do something else. Do Amazon button here, reset everything, start over. And you guys are going to have to do this. So, you might as well get used to it. This is how you make money here. So let's do this. And I like to start out in the kitchen. So let's do home guard. Let's do kitchen and dining. This is my go-to. And we're going to go with cutlery, knife, and accessories. Let's do that. Oh, man, let's see. Let's do boning and fillet knives because these can get a bit expensive here. Come on, you coming up? Are you guys not coming up? Oh, here we are. Okay, here we are. All right, so look at this. So this item here, it's on for $48. I like to go for the expensive stuff. And I know you say, you know, well, what would they return it? No, most of the time they don't. All right, I have a tool here that actually shows me the rank. I like to find items that have a really low rank, and when I say low rank, I mean under. Oh, this is beautiful. Under 100,000. I mean, everybody does it their own way. This is how I do it. All right, we're gonna take this. Bam, bam. Take this over to eBay. Hit the eBay button, eBay symbol. Click on the eBay symbol. Go to reset everything. Do this. Bam. So it's selling on Amazon here for $59.99, right? See, the rank is 6,582. I mean, it's selling like crazy. 111 reviews. The reason why reviews are popular, why we're looking at the reviews, is because everyone doesn't leave reviews. So if 111 people left a review, damn, okay, we got that. All right, look at this. So we're on this page here. We're gonna go with sold listings, sold items, $59.99. Let me bring a calculator up here so we can see. 2 million, I like that. All right, so look, bam, here's $59.99. Let's see who sold something in the last few days. $59.99. We're looking for people that are selling higher than what it is. So look, $59.99. You see that? $59.97. $59.77. See that? They sold this on March the 21st. It's the same product. Look, same product. They just took the fillet, the salmon out. Okay, see that? $59.97. $79.99. This one actually sold one $75.95. Let's do this. $79.99 minus $59.77. What's our total? That's what our profit is. $20. Now, I believe eBay takes about 15%. Let's do this. Boom. $3. So you're making $17 every time you sell this. See how easy it was to find that product? So what I would do is I would list this product. See, it says Dow Strong fillet knife 7-inch. Same thing there, right? See that? See that? Let's see if we can find another one real quick. There's a lot of products like this. So if you're making $17, you could do, what happens is these products actually rank. After they start selling, they just continue selling. They start picking up speed. Now, it takes a little while to make 250 bucks, but it's definitely reasonable. 250 divided by 17. Let's see how many you had to sell to get that. 14 units. 14 units. And then you made 250 bucks. Now, I'm not going to just leave you there. I'm going to go with this one. Let's try this one. I'm going to stay with the same one because I value your time here. I mean, I could do this all day. All right, see, this is a phantom. Keep this video short, so copy, paste. It's easy. Copy, paste. I'm going to go with the phantom. Search. How much is it here? 64.71. Oh, main thing is you want to make sure these items are shipped from Amazon. This is not shipped from Amazon. Well, fulfilled by Amazon, so that's good. Boom. 64.97. We look for a 6.5-inch sheath, right? Six and a half. Look at this. All right, bam. Look at this one. This is selling for 64.71. You can just build a knife store if you want. Knife. Sell all type of knives. Let's do this. Bring up our calculator again. 82. Do this again. 82.99 minus 64.71. What kind of profit is that? Bam, $18 again. So if we went 15% of that, you'd still be making about $14 in the long run. Now, the thing is this. If these items, 64 plus free shipping, so you don't have to pay for shipping on that. Now, you're going to get paid on your eBay account. You're going to get paid through PayPal. See that? You find a couple of these items and you list them easily. You'll be at $250 a day. Easily. Easily. Now, this is the thing. If you find other items, you could just pile your store up. You could load your store up. You could load your eBay store up. I have some little tricks that I want to teach you, but I'm not going to teach you yet. I want to get you guys started with the regular stuff because there are ways you can SEO these listings in order to get to the top and can rank on the first page. See what I'm saying? $82. You see that? $72. You see how much it was here? This is an easy process, guys. I'm telling you, easy process. $64. You don't even have to make that much. And we can do this another way and get into some high-end items, but I don't want to take up too much of your time today. But anyway, this is an easy way to get to $250 a day. It does take a little work, does take a little patience. It's not too much skill involved. All you have to do is copy and paste, copy and paste. You know, it's easy. All right. So I'm not going to keep this video. Not going to keep you guys too long here. Not going to hold you up. So this is a quick 13-minute video on how to make $250 on eBay from Amazon. If you like these type of videos and you want to work from home, all I need you to do, subscribe, stay tuned, like this page, share this page. I'm sorry, I had a brain fart. Yeah. All right. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of free tricks. See all this little stuff up here? So a lot of stuff I can show you guys here. I'll pull it down. I know you already saw it, but we're going to pull it down. All right. Catch you next time.